This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Laura Green. Great condo in Prime West Knox Location, convenient to shopping, I-40, campus and Middlebrook Pike. Light and airy open floor plan with a bright sunroom perfect for home office or relaxing. The kitchen has white cabinets, island, pantry and dining area, along with a stackable washer/dryer combo that stays. Upstairs, the extra-large primary bedroom has 2 large closets and big windows. The second bedroom also has 2 large closets. The upstairs full bath has a brand new step-in shower and tile. Walk out the back doors directly to the complex's neighborhood pool. HOA fees include water, sewer, trash and pool. Storage area under Building 3 for your extra items. The complex allows long-term rentals but no short-term rentals. For more information, review the details below or contact Laura Green at 865-693-1111.